So hi everyone, we're doing our Mother's Day Facebook Live this afternoon. I'm Veronica.
I'm Sarah. We're both part of the design team here at Quilling Card. Thanks for joining us today.
So
we're excited to share with you some of our newest designs, and then we also have some of our classics that everyone's also always loved for Mother's Day. So
lots of floral and wildlife we picked out.
Yeah.
Which I think is really great. And we even got a new Mother's Day card this year, so we're definitely going to highlight that. So that'll be good. And remember to comment and ask us any questions in the chat, and stay until the end because there's going to be a giveaway for a winner, so that's very exciting.
Yeah, we've got a few really cool things to give away today, so you should definitely stay till the end.
Yeah, big giveaway bundle of all things quilling. So we'll highlight exactly what's in that a little bit later.
Yeah.
All right, should we just
I think we
go
should
for it? Yeah, let's just start. Okay, what do we want to talk about first?
Let's see.
Do you want to do daffodils?
Yeah, let's go with the daffodils.
All right. So this is our Quilled daffodil vase. This is brand new for 2021.
It is. It's brand new, but we used to have an older daffodil design, and this year we sort of revamped it a bit, and I think our newer version is just awesome, especially with the watercolors that our artist, Alex, did. It's just really beautiful, the quilling and the watercolor combined, and we think it makes for a really nice Mother's Day card.
Yeah, daffodils are just a great cheery card for spring in general. And I mean, you always want to get your mom flowers in a nice vase. So I think this is perfect for Mother's Day. And I love the line work outline of the vase and then the different daffodils blooming. I think it's just a really beautiful spring card.
It is.
Yeah, should we do? You can pick
I guess while we're talking about flowers, this is one of our classic Mother's Day designs. It's our I Love You Mom bouquet. This has always been a favorite for everyone. It's just a really pretty, colorful bouquet of flowers that I really think any mom would like.
Yeah.
You can't really go wrong with this one. And what's great about this, too, is that we have this card that says I Love You Mom on it, but we also have the same design without the saying I Love You Mom. So even if there's someone in your life that maybe is like a mom to you, or just anyone you want to recognize for Mother's Day, you could always do the blank version for them too, just to celebrate them.
Definitely. And what mom doesn't love a bouquet?
And these ones never wilt.
Yes,
my favorite part about quilling flowers is that.
Yes, so you can frame our quilled flowers and have them forever. You don't have to water them or anything. So I think that's always a plus because I kill all of my plants. So what next?
Yeah, maybe talk about some of our wildlife cards?
Yeah, definitely. All right, I love the little fox and cub.
Yeah, this one's super cute.
Yeah, I love the composition. I love the colors. The orange foxes with the little red buds of the flowers, I think, is beautiful. And this is great for Mother's Day because it's the mother fox and the baby fox. And you can think outside the box. Like, even though this card is blank and it could be used for many occasions, we thought it would be a really good Mother's Day card.
I feel like it's just really sweet.
Yes.
And we have a few designs that are like this where it's a mother and baby animal. So we also have the giraffes, too, that we think is a great Mother's Day card. So the mom and baby giraffe along the same lines as the fox and cub. So just kind of a really cute, sweet sentiment without having to say anything on the front. You can tell it's a Mother's Day card because it's a mom and her baby. So we think these are really sweet cards to give for Mother's Day, and something unique and different than sort of your cookie cutter cards, I guess. So it's a little bit of a different approach that might be exciting.
And if you have siblings and you need
I never thought about that, like from all of us.
Yeah, exactly. For from you and your brother, you and your sister.
Yep.
We have the mother bird feeding babies. So this is a great Mother's Day card. This one we have both with the Happy Mother's Day sentiment, and we also have it blank. So again, you can use it specifically with the sentiment for Mother's Day, or blank is always nice to frame later. So this is another one of our favorite picks for Mother's Day this year.
And then we also have, similar to that, we have the new hummingbird and babies.
Yes.
So we love hummingbirds, and I think a lot of people love hummingbirds. So we've added quite a few to our line lately. This is one of our new ones. It's a mother hummingbird and her babies, which again, it's a blank card, but it's perfect for Mother's Day. And you know, all of our cards have blank inserts inside of them. So that's where you can write your special message to your mom and really thank her for all she does.
Yeah.
While giving her a piece of art. So
yes, definitely.
It's great.
More than just a card, it's art. I see that Jerry's in the chat. She was asking if all of them are handmade. Yes, every single card in our collection is completely handmade. We have over 400 quillers now.
Yeah.
So
and each card takes on average about an hour to complete. So all these little shapes here are all made out of strips of paper that are coiled and shaped and then glued down in a pattern to make the overall design. So it's a really intricate and impressive art form. Takes a lot of skill and training to learn how to do. So it's really cool.
Yeah, and I see a bunch of other people in the chat. Hi, Anya. Hi, Scrap. Hi, everyone. If you have any other questions, thanks for sending some love, Patricia.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining us. It's really nice to see everyone here, and we're excited to share all these Mother's Day cards with you and give you some ideas for what you can give your mothers this holiday.
Oh, Cindy says she loves our cards. Thank you, Cindy. Yeah, and make sure you stay until the end. We're going to be doing a giveaway with a big bundle of all different quilling gifts. And again, I'm Veronica. And
I'm Sarah.
So we're designers here. Thank you again for joining us. Any other questions? I see Sherry said they're so beautiful. Thank you, Sherry. What else?
So the one that I accidentally just knocked over, which I knew was going to happen, having this set up right here. But this is one of our newer Mother's Day designs, which I think just came out so nice, and it's so pretty. It's a handprint of a mom and then a child's handprint inside of the mom's handprint. So just alone, that design has a really nice sentiment. I think the colors are really pretty, and yeah, this is one of my favorite new Mother's Day ones, I think.
Yeah, I think the watercolor that Alex did on this, the purple with the pink and the orange, is just really beautiful.
Yeah, I like all the colors together.
Yeah. And like I think we said before, this would be great for a new mom.
Yeah, but like a child. But even so, you could even give it like an adult child could give it to their parent, because as they say, you're always little in your parents' eyes. So it would really work for anyone. I think it's just a really pretty design for Mother's Day.
Yeah, definitely. Renee said she's a big fan. Thanks so much, Renee. Yeah, feel free to ask any other questions. We're definitely reading all of your chats, so thanks for joining us. Yeah. We have this. Oh my gosh, this is one of our most popular spring cards. The Happy Gardening. So this is a beautiful blue watering can with a bunch of tulips inside of it. Perfect for spring, but also Mother's Day, definitely.
Yeah, I think out of all these, this would be my favorite to frame. Yeah.
Definitely. So if your mom is a gardener or just loves flowers in general, this would be a great card for her for Mother's Day.
Yeah. And also, just anything in our line, really. Anything that, like, your mom might enjoy as a hobby, or anything she's interested in, whether it's an animal or a flower, or, we've got all sorts of, such a wide range of stuff that you could find anything that's, really specific to your mom, and that would make, your card that much more special and thoughtful. And, so.
Definitely. I see Sherry's asking where we're located. We're in Massachusetts right now, so feel free to let us know where you guys are all tuning in from. That would be awesome to hear where everyone else is from.
Oh, and then Jerry asked what the cards look like framed. And actually, our team just put together a really awesome new video of our Mother's Day cards that's on our YouTube channel. And it shows, I think, most, or at least a handful of these designs specifically framed, as well as some of our other Mother's Day cards. So definitely check out our YouTube channel and take a look at that video. It shows our Mother's Day pics and shows them set up in a frame. So you can definitely check that out there.
Yeah. And we have frames in gold, silver, and black, so you can really coordinate it to which design you'd like. And I know my mom has one, and she changes out the cards for every holiday, every season.
Yeah, no, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just got the new brushed gold and brushed silver frames, and I think they're great because they can really go with anyone's style of, interior design.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And we even have triple window frames now.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
So you can make a really nice collection of 3 cards.
Mm-hmm.
So I know a lot of people have done either like a nautical theme at their beach house for the summer,
Really
or you can do a nice floral theme or a bird theme. Basically, anything you can think of. We definitely have enough cards to do a nice spread for a frame like that.
That could actually even be a whole Mother's Day gift, for your mom if she has, a particular interest, whether it's flowers or something else. You could give her a whole collage framed of, these cool designs.
Yeah, definitely.
And that could be a really unique gift too. Thanks,
Yeah.
Robin. And also happy early Mother's Day to any moms that joined us. I hope you guys all enjoy your special day.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so any other questions or anything, or we might wrap up?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll do this again or later in the summer. We'll have a bunch of new designs coming in later.
Yeah, a lot of exciting stuff coming.
Yeah.
So we'll be definitely excited to share that with you.
Yeah.
Once that's all ready. So thanks again for joining us, and take care.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Have a great day.